Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, as we have done the first paragraph and the second paragraph, today we are going to do the third paragraph. If you have watched my previous videos, so you will be knowing that we have done on space tourism, and the first paragraph was of, just a second, it was about the childrens who want many things like us, right? But parents didn't give it, don't give it to us. Why? Because we are not so big to attain those big oh my god. Okay, despite this all, we are going to start today the indoor pollutants. Yep. Okay, this is the topic we are going to start. So before it, I want to clarify that this topic is for everyone, for class 11th, 12th, 10th, every class. You will be given some tips, tricks. So please watch the video till the end. Till then, you may subscribe to my channel, share to my channel, like my channel, not channel, but yes, video. So, without any delay, we should start now. Okay, so it is about indoor pollutants. So, as we know by the subject only, that it is something which is about the pollution. It is, yes, it is very major topic. It's a quite long paragraph. It is of 13 paragraphs, but we may read it because we have to read it. Okay, so first of all, I just want to clarify that it is from CBSE that's website. You can also just type on the Google and find this paragraph. It is very easy. I just want to explain you this paragraph and give you some tips and tricks to apply in your examination. So let's get started. It is very long now. Call it a blessing or a curse of Mother Nature. We have to breathe in over 10,000 liters of air in a day to remain alive. By making it essential for life, God has wished that we try to keep the air we breathe clean. Everyone can see the food that is not clean and perhaps refrain from eating it, but one cannot stop breathing even if one can feel the air to be polluted. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I'm just saying the first question. Sorry. Okay, this is the first question. So, first question says the Almighty wants the human being to should try to breathe clean air, should not pay attention to pollutants, must ignore ETS, or should become passive smokers. So we have not done this question yet. So let us continue. Several harmful and noxious substances can contaminate the air we breathe. Generally, much is said and written about outdoor air pollution, and most of which is due to vehicular and industrial exhaust. Given the fact that most of us spend over 90% of our time indoors, it is important to recognize that the air we breathe in at home or in offices can be polluted. It can be cause of ill health. Air pollutants that are generally present in a very low concentration can assume significance in closed, ill ventilated places. Indoor air pollutions can lead to allergic reactions, cause irritation to the skin, eye, and the nose. But as it is logical to assume the brunt of insult by pollutants is borne by the lungs, it can lead to development of fresh breathing problem, especially in those who have allergic tendencies, or it can worsen the existing respiratory illnesses like asthma and bronchitis. Okay, I just want to clarify, I'm not a pro reader, so if I'm pronouncing anything wrong, please excuse me. Okay, so the first question. The Almighty wants a human being should try to breathe clean air. This is the answer for first question. Now, the toxic gas causes: headache, dizziness, rashes, or all of the above. It is all of the above. Now, what other we have? We have these two questions. Air conditioning plants become the cause of, and as, oh my god, cannot pronounce it. Okay, I will try it when it will come in the paragraph. Okay, yep, I will see it. So, there can be several sources of indoor air pollution. Tobacco smoke is one of the most important air pollutants in a closed place. Passive smoking or environmental tobacco smoke (ETS) pollution can lead to all the harmful effects of tobacco smoking seen in the smoker in their non-smoking companions. ETS is a health hazard, has been unequivocally proven, and is also getting social recognition now. One can occasionally see signs displaying that all important message: your smoking is injurious to my health, in offices and homes. Children of smoking parents are among the worst affected persons. So please excuse me if I'm reading very fast because there are many paragraphs I have to read fast to complete this video in short duration. The exposure of young children to ETS leads to increased respiratory problems and hospital admission as compared to non-exposed children. Several studies, including those done at the PGI, have shown an increased risk of lung cancer among women exposed to passive smoking. ETS also worsens the existing lung disease like asthma and bronchitis. It may be responsible for the development of asthma in children. The next most important source of indoor air pollution is the allergens. House dust mites, HDM, are very small insects not visible to the naked eye and are the most commonest source of allergy in the house. They are obnoxious and thrive in a warm and moist atmosphere. They breed very fast and are very difficult to eradicate. Modern houses present ample breathing spaces for them in the form of carpets, curtains, mattresses, pillows, etc. Exposure to HDM can be prevented by the frequent washing of linen and by encasing the mattresses and pillows in non-permeable cover. Pets form an important part of life for some of us, but they can add plenty of allergens to our indoor atmosphere. Cats are notorious for doing this. Fine particles from feline fur can remain stuck to the upholstery and carpets for a long time, even after the removal of the animal, and lead to the worsening of asthma and skin allergies. Fortunately, owing to religious and social custom, cats are not very popular pets in India. Dogs, however, are quite popular and can be as troublesome. Pets should be kept out of the bedrooms and washed frequently. To remove fur particles, one has to use vacuum cleaner, as the ordinary broom and the mop are not effective. Moles, fungi, and several other microorganisms thrive in a damp condition and can lead to allergies as well as infections. Humidifiers in the air conditioning plants provide an ideal environment for certain types of bacteria and have led to major outbreak of pneumonia. It is important to clean regularly the coolers, air conditioner, and damp areas of the house, such as cupboards, locks, etc., to minimize the risk. Cupboards, the gases are very toxic in high concentration, as may be encountered during industrial accidents, but given in very minimal amounts, as may be prevalent in homes and offices. They can cause irritation to the skin or eyes, rashes, headache, dizziness, and nausea. Improving the ventilation is an important preventive measure. Besides trying to eliminate the sources that may not be feasible, other indoor pollutants are toxic chemicals like cleansing agents, pesticides, paints, solvents, and inferior quality personal care products, especially aerosols. Very old crumbling pipes, boilers, insulation, or false roofing can also be an important cause. Asbestos is a hazardous product that can cause cancer in humans. It is important to realize that air we breathe at home may not be clean always, and we must try to eliminate the source of pollution. We should give due consideration to the ventilation. Okay, so air conditioning. Okay, just a second. Air conditioning plants become the cause of which one? Now it's your test. Which one? Is it allergies? Is it pneumonia? Is it heart attack? Or is it infection? So if you're confused, so let us take you back to the point which we studied just 2-3 minutes ago. That was here. Where it is? Where it is? Yep. Humidifiers and air conditioning plants provide ideal environment for certain type of bacteria and have led to outbreaks of pneumonia. Sorry, pneumonia. Okay, so the answer will be pneumonia. Okay, asbestos is a hazardous disease because it can cause cancer in humans. Okay, now what is essential for our daily life and how it is essential? Okay, so the answer for this is okay. We have to take in over 10. Okay, air is essential. Oh, see. Oh, sorry. By making it essential for life, this has been given the answer. So what you can write, air is essential for life. We breathe, or we have to breathe in over 10 liters of air in a day to remain alive. Okay, this is the answer. A very suitable answer because it is just for 1 mark. Why should we pay attention to the quality of air we breathe indoor? Okay, so here the answer will be just okay. Yeah, here will be the answer. Given the fact that most of us spend 90% of our times indoor, and it is most important that we have to recognize that the air we breathe in at home or in office can be polluted. Okay, just this much as it is for 1 mark. Just you have to keep the marks limit in your head, because if you will not know the marks limit, this is your loss only, because you will spend more time on the question and is worthless, right? Name 8 important sources of indoor pollution. 8. We have to tell 8 important sources. Okay, so okay, so indoor can lead to, okay, it is lead mean it is a result. Okay, but as it is logical is born by lungs. Yeah, tobacco smoke. First of all, tobacco smoke. Okay, then next is we have, I think it now we the next we have is allergens, right? House dust, we wrote this as house dust mites. Okay, this is also important. Then we have, the pets one point is important. We have done now 4 points. um, Moles, fungi, and several other microorganisms. Humidifiers and air conditioning plants, or you can also say air conditioning plants. Okay, then toxic gases like LPGs, we read it, right? Incomplete combustion of LPGs. So let us see the answer. If we have left one, I think yes, we have left one, cooking and heating, asbestos, and not anymore. Okay, so okay, sorry. Yeah. What do you understand by ETS? How is it harmful, and give 2 instances? So the answer for this question will be here. ETS is a health that has been okay. You have to write in just one sentence or not more than 2 3 sentences because well, okay. Passive smoking here. Sorry, here you can see passive smoking or non-mental tobacco is can lead to harmful effects of tobacco smoking seen in the smoker. This is the whole answer for your ETS. What is ETS? Okay, the 4 lines which I just marked. Okay, moving onwards, how is it harmful? We told here only. Okay, the answer for that question is okay. Yeah, and give 2 instances how it is harmful. See, now we read about the asthma problem in children's, right? Exposure of young children's, uh, okay, increased risk of lungs, then worsen exist, right? We also read about women's, right? That will also come in this question. ETS stands, okay, here the children of smoking parents, increased risk of cancer among women that I told you. Then how can the risk of allergies be minimized? So for allergies, if we see, so there are animals who causes allergies, the pets, right? So they should be kept out of the bedrooms and washed frequently. And we should use vacuum cleaner for the cleanliness purpose. How can the toxic gas pollute the indoor environment? Okay, so here will be your answer. Okay, this will be your first point. Second point is will be from here 10th paragraph. Can I see biomass fuel? The poor quality of slab or other cooking or heating appliances that cause incomplete combustion can also be a cause for it. Okay, then find a word which means same as make impure in paragraph 2. Okay, let us see. Just let me. Impure. See, harmful is not impure. Noxious, I'm not sure. Contaminate. Can contaminate. I think this should be pollution. Okay, so the question. So I think the answer should be contaminate because it only means unpure. Okay, then we make impure. Clearly and unmistakably, paragraph number 5. Clearly and unmistakably. See, I'm just starting from the C. I think the answer should be unequivocally. That is clearly proven, right? So let us just fastly check our answer. Yes, it is right. Yes, it is right. You can also check all the other answers by stopping the video and let me meet in the next video for the passage number 4. Till then, please subscribe to my channel. I'm saying it for the infinite times and many videos that you guys are not doing it. So please do for me for the passage number 4. Please do it and let us meet in the next.